Hi everyone, this is Jamela over at Viva La Vintage for your home. Thank you for joining me. In today's episode, we're going to talk about what I got in the mail. Yes, Mama's got a brand new plant, and it's from Costa Farms, and it's called the Sterling Silver. It's part of the trending tropicals that they have that's coming out this year. So I was thrilled when I received the plant from them. And, you know, I just think plants are just a fantastic addition to the home. And when you're decorating, they make such a beautiful aesthetic appeal of the house. When I get new plants, I love to inspect them to make sure all the leaves are healthy looking. And, you know, it's just in good condition. Well, when Costa Farms sent me this plant, I couldn't believe how they packed it so nice and neatly. And it arrived intact. I mean, look at this plant. It came in a box and it's beautiful. The leaves are all green. Not a stem was broken, and I was so happy about that. But it's a healthy plant, and it's called, it's called the Sterling Silver Scindapsus. Okay, and it's a delightful, trendy little plant, and it's easy to grow, and it's almost like a pothos. So those are quite easy, and they're friendly. So here, see how green the leaves are? They look healthy, and I even have a few new stems already growing on it. So this was perfect. I put it next to my other Costa Farm plant that I have, which is a Birkin plant. And I just love the way they look on the shelf there. Each new plant that I get, I show it a little love, and then I welcome it to the family. And as you see, I have a happy family right here in this room. You know, there's a hashtag out called Plants Are Green Friends, and these are definitely my friends. I love taking care of them. So, as you see, I hope you've been inspired to add a few little green friends to your home, and then you become either a plant mom or a plant dad, and you'll see how rewarding it is. And again, I hope you like my video, and if you do, don't forget to like it, comment, and subscribe. Also, go ahead and share. And stay tuned again for another video. And thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.